Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Dropbox API using OAuth 2.0. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with the Dropbox API using OAuth 2.0, start by creating a Dropbox app. Visit the Dropbox developer website and log in with your account. Click on the Create App button. Select the type of access you need, either full Dropbox or app folder. Name your app and click Create App. Once your app is created, you'll be redirected to the app settings page. Make a note of your app key and app secret, as you'll need these later. Now, scroll down to the OAuth 2 section. Set the redirect URI to a location where you want to receive the authentication response. This could be a local URL for testing, or a production URL if you're ready. Open a new browser tab and construct your authorization URL. Use the following format, https://www.dropbox. For example, it should look something like this, https://www.dropbox.com/OAuth2/authorize?your_id=your sign your_app_response_type=sign code. Paste the construct. You should see a Dropbox login page, prompting you to log in if you're not already. Once logged in, you will be asked to allow your app permission to access your Dropbox account. Grant the necessary permissions. After granting access, you'll be redirected to your specified redirect URI. This URI will include a code parameter in the URL. Take note of this authorization code. Now, you need to exchange this code for an access token. Open a tool like Postman or use a programming language to make a post request. The request should be made to https://api.dropboxapi.com/OAuth2/token. Include the following parameters, code. If successful, the response will include an access token and other details. Make sure to securely store your access token. You can now use this access token to make API calls to Dropbox. Test your authentication by making a simple API request with the token. For example, you can try accessing your account information. If everything is set up correctly, you should receive a successful response. Congratulations, you have successfully authenticated with the Dropbox API using OAuth 2.0. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.